For many of us, Christmas or the holidays is all about family, friends, having fun, eating and enjoying ourselves. I am number one culprit. I love to eat and I eat everything and anything. And once the holidays are over, oh my days, I am so bloated and I need something to flush my system. So today I'm going to share with you this recipe to help you flush your body, to detox, okay? I have added water to cinnamon bark and I've boiled it until the water changes to brown. It changes to the color of the cinnamon bark, okay? Once I see that the color has changed, I just turn off the heat and I strain it. I'll then set it aside for use later. So in my blender jug, I'm going to add some turmeric, I'll add some ginger, and then I'll add some lemon juice, some orange juice, and I'll add some pineapple. Okay, so these ingredients have specifically been chosen to help you detox. Okay, they all have detox properties, right? I added my cinnamon juice, right, or cinnamon water, okay, to use to blend our ingredients. Okay, so as I was saying, the ingredients were specifically chosen to help you detox, okay, to help flush your system, right? By adding the cinnamon bark and the lemon juice, it's also going to help you get a nice flat tummy, okay? So this is like a 2-in-1 recipe. At this point, you can just drink it as it is. It's very sweet because of the pineapple. The pineapple was really ripe, okay? So you need a ripe pineapple, okay, so that it will sweeten this for you. Otherwise, you may not enjoy the taste. If you don't mind to, you can just use any pineapple, sweet or not, and then you drink it. So as I said, you can drink it without sieving it as I'm doing now, or you can just sieve it. And well, when you don't sieve it, it does a quicker job. If I can, let me say that way, a quicker job, okay? But when you sieve it too, it does a job, but it will take a while. So depending on how quick you want to be detox, I'll just take all the foam from the juice, and then I'm going to serve it. Okay, so what I would recommend is you drink a liter of this throughout the day, and make sure you drink 1 glass before you sleep. So maybe a liter, you divide that into 3 and you drink it throughout the day, morning, afternoon, and evening. Okay, so very easy, very quick. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you give it a try. And please detox, because we have a lot of recipes coming your way, and detoxing will help you. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.